so we protect. You hear the pops. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be pretty much finishing up Dante's Is300 with installing the Link ECU with the Panic jump harness. The way this harness and ECU is set up is pretty much a plug and play application for Is300 or a GS300. I could drop a link in the description to the actual website where we got it from. Let's go ahead and get these parts installed. I'll give you a quick rundown of how everything goes. This is my first time using this engine management, but it seems pretty simple and straightforward, and I'll show you guys what actually comes in the box. Alright guys, so it comes packaged pretty good so the ECU doesn't get damaged. So first off, it comes with the IAT sensor. I already checked this because I had to get a bong welded on the intercooler pipe. So this plug actually connects to the OEM Is300 mass airflow plug. So this is definitely plug and play. I already checked that. Right, couple stickers as usual. How those good car companies hook us up. This is it's plugged to the ECU. I was messing with it last night. So everything is labeled. This is your oil pressure sensor. I'm pretty sure this is probably like the fuel pressure sensor right here. Flex fuel sensor. And everything, just pretty much plugs into the ports on the actual ECU, which I'll show you in a second. We got a boost solenoid. This helps control the boost, so you don't have the manual boost controllers. Comes with a plug for the actual ECU to your laptop. All right, let's slide this out the way, try not to mess anything up. As far as what this plug goes to, so this plug actually goes to the banjo bolt on the power steering pump. That point, I got another O2 sensor sitting off to the side just in case we need that. Not 100% sure how they got this set up. Like I said, this is my first time. Panic. It's already supposed to come with a base tune. You tell them what everything you're running, and they pre-program it. It's a built-in map sensor built into the ECU. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful jump harness. And this is actually supposed to plug directly into your stock harness. This is that port right here I was saying that goes to the ECU to the computer, and these, your extra leads to your sensors and everything. So let's go ahead and try to get this thing installed in one session. All right, guys. Sorry if you feel as though shirt's dirty. Sorry if you feel as though I kind of like speedball or ran through that extra setup a little bit too fast for you. Try to get everything done in this video. I'm thinking we should. So let's go out here, show you guys what we got going on the Is300. Get this ECU installed and get it turned over and see what it does. Be cool, right? All right, so before we get started, let you know the game plan. So we are replacing, finally getting rid of this. Let's be honest, this is horrible looking, bro. I never got around to actually fixing it, but we're replacing this with a fresh intercooler pipe with the IAT sensor welded onto it. We got to take the whole upper and lower intake manifold off because we're dropping the new injectors in. So instead of boring you guys even more than you really want to be, because I know you want to see some pulls and everything work, I'm gonna go ahead, pull everything down, show you how it's gonna be all set up, and we can go from there as far as getting ECU plugged up and actually, what everybody came to see. So I'm gonna go ahead, disassemble this, and we can take it from there, y'all. All right, brother. First started. It's connected.
I just gotta unlock it now.
Then you said unlock it. I was like, oh, I don't know nothing about that. Looks a little crazy right now, but Dante lied, he's a 10 on the low.
Yo, I don't think so,
That jump
man.
easy, bro. You making it look easy. We're almost there, YouTube.
That's because the car's not going to see, so.
Yeah,
So that's
yeah.
gonna probably be that way. I don't know what you think, man. You gonna try to start it up?
You try to start it up. If it sound crazy, cut it off.
Yep.
First start. Holy crap.
Yo!
Hey, yo, it's so smooth now, bro.
Yo! First try, son.
Sheesh. He got them hands, bro. Because he was doing stuff on this, and I'm like, I don't know anything about that.
Oh my goodness, yo. It sounds good.
With the AFRs and stuff, read.
AFR is at 14 right now. I think it's self-calibrated. It started off at 10.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
It's at 14.7 now. Oh, 14. We're now 15.
Is it going up still?
15. Going slowly. The oil pressure is 63. That idle is going to probably be a little higher, right?
Probably got to calibrate the injectors, or I don't know. I don't know nothing about
They
this.
should have did it already.
Yeah.
That's what they was asking
What it's
for.
saying there now? The
15.
still 15?
15.6. Just hold it.
She good though. First start, bro. It sounds good.
Good night, yo.
It sounds good.
The idle sounds good too. I mean, it's low for it to be the first startup, but
It's a little low.
that exhaust sounds good too. You got to say.
Yeah, that's why I was like, yo, it's gonna be a little quiet because it's like it wasn't too bad when it was a open down pipe. Surprisingly. So we got the Link ECU going. We actually about to do like a bass tune / street tune. The car is idling perfect right now. Like it is actually perfect. Dante installed the software, did a little fixings, calibration, and you saw it, the car started up on the first time. No problems at all. We just gotta adjust some things and we should be good to go. So alright, so
Look at this.
yep, we got Brandon in here adjusting everything for us, fixing what I didn't messed up prior, but oh yeah, look, he opened the garage straight up.
Like, who was touching this though? Yeah, this is amazing.
Yeah, bro. Perfect, man. Might be setting on the ECU.
Yeah.
He probably didn't give you boost neither.
Right.
Yeah, he ain't gonna get you. That's how I drove around for like a week with no boost. The AFR is definitely on point, I tell you that.
It sounds so good.
So good.
I love it.
All right, gang. So there you have it. I'm actually on my way to follow Dante home because he drove his motorcycle. Can you see the light? He drove his motorcycle to come pick the car up. Well, come check the car out. We got way further than I actually thought we did. We're gonna actually do. So today was a successful mission. Only issue is the car is practically like NA right now because the link ECU needs any aftermarket ECU pretty much needs the wideband sensor was like an aftermarket O2 sensor for the car to actually get in the boost and calibrate itself correctly. So when we got the link ECU, this didn't come with actual port for like an aftermarket AEM wideband sensor. All right, guys, don't mind this part of the video. Link ECU actually sent us a wiring diagram a day after we did this video to wire in the wideband sensor. So kind of disregard this part a little bit, but enjoy the rest of the video. Whatnot. So the problem is, long story short, Brandon can't really fully tune it because we don't have a wideband, so he can't see what's actually going on, and the ECU can't see what's going on as far as the air fuel ratios. As far as drivability, it's driving perfect, but it's pretty much NA, no boost. So that way it's a safe mode, so we protect. You hear the pops. So it's pretty much a safe mode, so that way we don't mess the engine up, do any damage to the engine, which is cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Next time you'll see the Is300. Dante is gonna pretty much give me like a real good test drive on the boost and once we get everything squared away, which would be super duper dope. But as far as the link ECU goes, to me it's a solid ECU. The software seems pretty simple to a person that doesn't tune cars, and the panic jump harness works. It's no cuts, you don't have to do anything. It literally is plug and play, bro. It's literally plug and play. I wish I actually recorded plugging everything up because it's plug and play, bro. So it sounds so good. Yeah, so it's actually plug and play. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Thanks everybody for subscribing. Thanks everybody for checking out the channel as always, man. Peace, much love, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.